gateway to Bicolandia. Ano kayang meron dun? Nakaka-curious, no? Parang it's your entry point toward to an adventure beyond your ordinary trip. Sounds exciting, right? So tara, let's discover Camarines Norte. This is Benjamin, your travel buddy, dito lang sa Pinoy Destinations. First up, the capital town of Camarines Norte, Dae, home of the first Rizal Monument in the world. Kilala ang monumentong ito bilang Bantayog. Let's travel back in time sa Rufino Pabico's ancestral house. Isa itong Spanish mansion na itinuturing na isang cultural heritage. From a house, let's check out these resorts where you can stay and have a good time. Take a glimpse of tradition through Bulawan Museum and Museo de Labo. Mga artifacts at ginto mula sa mga prominenteng pamilya ang nakadisplay dito. Sa bayan naman ng Paracale, kilala ang pabirik o pagkalap ng Bulawan Gold. Heto naman ang Queen Formosa, ang pinakamatamis na pinya sa ating bansa. Gamit ang mga fibers nito, nakakagawa ng mga produkto tulad ng Formosa Manos. Hindi rin papahuli ang Pilipinya Pie, isang unique fusion ng pili at pinya. At ang highlight sa buwan ng Hunyo, ang Pinyasan Festival. Dahil naman tayo sa Mercedes, kung saan dried seafoods gaya ng espada, danggit at abo ang ipinagmamalaki nilang produkto. Sa bayan ng Vinsons, matitikman ang angko, a sticky rice ball na may peanut sauce sa loob. At the best din ang iba pang mga kakanin nila dito. On your way back home, don't forget to stop by on this Pasalubong Center for a wide variety of goodies that you will definitely enjoy. Oh, nabitin kayo no? Pero don't worry guys, patikim pa lang yun, because there's more to come and to discover in Camarines Norte, or in short, Camp Norte. And all of these are about to unfold in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the town of San Lorenzo Ruiz, matatagpuan ang picturesque Mampurog River. Trekking adventure naman para makarating and to see the Malatap Waterfalls in Labo. Standout din naman sa ganda ang Binuang Waterfalls. For nature lovers, this eco park amidst lush meadows and natural springs is a must-visit place. Mula sa overview ng Little Tagaytay sa Basud, makikita ang mga isla sa Mercedes. Dubbed as the Crocodile Island, Kanimog Island is such a stunning place. Kapag low tide, makikita sa Canton Island, also known as The Rock, ang Canton Cave. Now, let's hop on to Apuao Island. These islands consist of Apuao Pequeña and Apuao Grande. The best mag-snorkeling sa mga islands dito because you get to see different coral species and marine creatures. Ang Pulang Daga Beach naman sa Paracale ay isa rin sa mga the best beaches dito. At hindi makukumpleto ang Camarines Norte trip nyo kung hindi kayo makakapunta sa main island na Calaguas Island, ang mahabang buhangin. This place boasts of its powder-fine white sand, pristine water, and unspoiled surroundings. Truly, a hidden paradise like no other. And for sports adventurers, you can try kayak surfing on this beach. And here, you can also see locals who love to play skimboarding. And those are the must-sees and must-tries that would definitely make everyone want to come and discover the beautiful province of Camarines Norte. Once again, this has been Benjamin, your travel buddy, dito lang sa Pinoy Destinations.